लो। This is the location of the mudslide at the Dharali village. Around 13:45, a major mudslide had come in the Kheergad Nala in this particular village. The complete mid portion of the village has got swept out and the road has got blocked. The villagers on both sides have been evacuated by the army. Oh,